How old are you?
2.
What's your name?
2.
What's your favorite color?
Pink.
Pink? What's your favorite food?
Poop.
What? Poop?
My glass.
What are you doing?
Poop.
All right, go. Whoa. Okay, Des, your turn.
It got broken and I fell.
Good job. Hey, Coast, come tell the camera what we're doing today. Come here.
We go to the end.
How come we're going to the dentist?
I got hurt on my tooth.
Can you show me which tooth?
That one.
Does your tooth hurt?
Yeah.
Are they gonna fix it?
That one.
Mhm.
Cozy just got back from the dentist.
Mama.
Okay, I'm not recording.
I'll show you later. Hey, Cozy, what happened today? And what did... You want to say hi? Say hi. Cozy, what did the dentist do? Let's see, I'll look. Okay, move your hand. Open wide. Let's see, look what that dentist did. What did he do? He pulled your tooth out?
I'm not gonna grow another. Ow!
Let me show one more time.
Don't do it.
Here, let me so that you can see. Open wide. Move your hand. Okay, ready? Open wide. Look, say, open your eyes. Look, let me see your eyes. All right, and here is your tooth. Look what they gave you. A treasure box.
What you open it?
Don't open it, it'll fall out again.
No.
All right, where does it go?
I'm gonna put it under my bed.
Okay, let's go do it, hurry.
I don't want to break it.
Yeah, don't break it. Let's go put it under your pillow.
I'm not going to break it.
Mm-hmm.
I got a purple treasure box. I got a purple treasure.
Go put it under the pillow.
Stay down here. I mean, like that.
No, I'm gonna video you.
Stay down there.
No, I'm gonna come.
Stay right there.
Why?
Mama, stay.
I'm gonna just come and take a picture of your classroom.
Mama,
Show me where your classroom is.
stay right here.
I'm gonna watch you go to your...
Mama, stay right here, and then you can come back. No, Mommy, you stay right here, and then you can come, okay?
Okay, go.
Stay.
I'm coming, Jill. Go. Just go.
I don't need anyone.
I'm not gonna show you. You show me.
Okay. But don't come.
Okay.
Go put it.
But I want to see you do it.
Stop right there.
No, I want to see you do it.
I'm gonna put it under the pillow, and I'm gonna come back.
No, I want to see you.
Stop right there, please.
No.
Put it under my pillow. Just to the light.
Don't open it again. It'll fall out.
Right? It's a cold.
Watch out, Des. Watch out, Des. Who's gonna come get your tooth?
Tooth fairy.
Really? And what's the tooth fairy gonna bring?
I put a tooth under my pillow.
You did?
Yeah.
I'm so proud of you.
What?
Wow, that's so fun.
I'm gonna be a tooth fairy.
You're gonna be a what?
Tooth fairy.
You want to be a tooth fairy?
Yeah, I like that tooth fairy cone.
When you grow up, you want to be a tooth fairy?
A little tooth fairy.
Oh, that's so cool.
Like a tooth fairy called little.
The what?
Like a little tooth fairy.
A little one?
A little tooth fairy.
Okay.
I'm going to be a baby tooth fairy.
A baby one?
Yeah, I can fly.
It can fly?
Yeah, with my super cape.
It can fly with your super cape?
Yeah.
So you want to be a tooth fairy?
Yeah. Go and a wand. A tooth fairy one.
And you want a wand?
A tooth fairy one.
A tooth fairy wand?
Yeah.
Okay, everyone hold still. Okay. Okay, I want everyone to tell me what your name is. Okay, what's your name?
Cookie.
What's your name? Say baby. What's my name?
Danny.
Stephanie. And what are we making today?
A birthday cake.
A birthday cake for?
Ah!
What holiday is it? Valentine's Day.
Birthday!
It's Valentine's Day. We're gonna make a cake. Tomorrow is Valentine's Day. Daddy's out of town, so we're gonna be all alone on Valentine's Day. So sad. He gets to go to Orlando and look at the sun. And we are going to make a Valentine's Day cake, right? All right, should we get started? Okay, step 1 is find a recipe. Recipe, bam,
Found.
easy vanilla cake. Butter.
Butter. Let me see, Mommy.
This is oil.
Hey.
Okay, we need sugar.
Yes.
Mix it up. Good job. Good mixing. What'd you guys make?
A birthday cake.
Say happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Look at this pretty cake we made. Looks
Wait.
so good, huh? Is it gonna be yummy?
Yes.
Des, are you gonna eat it? Yeah, okay. Let's cut into it.
There you go.
Is that